it's me, I November Rain, and welcome back into my channel. So I've been waiting for this moment to give you an update with my Smile Direct Club Invisible Eyeliner. If you are new into this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification down below for you to get a notification every time I update my Smile Direct Club journey. So first is we were gonna talk about why did I eat with my eyeliner? How stupid you are to eat with your eyeliner. So guys, I don't have a choice, and I don't have a choice not to eat because that day we were traveling to North Carolina for Thanksgiving, and I was super duper hungry, and there is no way that I could get out and brush my teeth. Who's gonna brush your teeth while the car is running? So so I did not do that, and yes, I ate peanuts with my eyeliner, and nothing's happened. And I drank soda with my eyeliner and nothing's happened. Yes guys, because your eyeliner made of a hard plastic. So but when you have a time to stop, and you can just go ahead and brush your teeth, I thought that my eyeliner will melt, but it did not. I swear to God, I swear that it did not melt my eyeliner, because the eyeliner is made out of plastic and it's really hard. So yes, nothing's happened, but I want you to know also that when you drink coffee with your eyeliner, the color of the coffee will stay in your tongue, and if you don't brush those, it will go inside with your eyeliner in here and give you the discoloration of your teeth. So I think that that is the reason why you are not allowed to drink coffee with your eyeliner, because uh, it will discolor your teeth. So yeah, it makes sense for me though. So but I don't have a choice, so I did it anyway, and nothing's happened. But yeah, I'm happy that I didn't break my eyeliner that day, and I'm happy that nothing's happened with my eyeliner, because if something happens in my eyeliner, and I know myself that I'm not allowed to do that, I will cry for the rest of the week because the eyeliner is not cheap. It is expensive. But yeah, so I ate with my eyeliner. Yes, I ate peanut with my eyeliner. No, when you are so hungry, you wanna have something that to hold up, just to hold your stomach crumbling and make you a little bit better for a long travel. One thing that I noticed, when you eat something, the crumbs will go inside your eyeliner, and in between of your teeth and your eyeliner, the crumbs will go inside. So it makes sense to me that's why Smile Direct Club advise you not to eat with your eyeliner. So you don't want to do that. The eyeliner is made very well. It did not break, but if you were trying to break your eyeliner, just snap it and with all your force, and snap it, and you'll break your eyeliner. So just like what I did to this. So I am just gonna give you an example how to break your eyeliner. So since the eyeliner is mine and it's already used, that means I am allowed to break it. So where's that one? Ooh, I got a lot in here, guys. Yeah, so if you're gonna break this, because this one is used, and this one is made out of plastic, and I thought this one's gonna break when you ate. No, it did not break when I ate. But if you want to break this, you can snap it and you'll break it. So like this, like what I did to this, just snap it like that. So I've been saving all my used eyeliner. For me, after 7 months, I wanna chop those. I wanna chop those. So if you have a time to stop and to go to the bathroom, just wash your eyeliner right away, because you don't want you don't want your eyeliner to stay in yellow. You don't want the discoloration of your eyeliner, and then it will give you the discoloration of your teeth also. You don't want to do that. But you know, the improvement that I noticed, that since since my teeth is not, I thought my teeth was not so bad, just the spacing, the gap. But when I have my aligners, the first month of my eyeliner, I noticed that my teeth is sticking out. It's not so straight like that, like straight, super straight, but it's like this. I mean, it's almost coming out. That's why, like, I thought that the problem with my teeth is only the spacing, but no, it's not. They need to bring your teeth inside. So that is the first thing that I noticed with my teeth. And now my teeth is kind of straight. My feet now is kind of going inside instead of going outside, like that. It's going inside. They are pulling your teeth inside first, but the spacing problem is really slow to close. It's not gonna happen in just one night or in just 1 month. But I noticed though that because I keep watching I keep looking the picture of my old picture of my teeth, and it's like, this other teeth right here is so twisted that I did not notice that when I don't have the eyeliner. I was like, okay, the problem with my teeth is only the spacing, but I did not notice that this teeth right here, this long one right here, it is really twisted. And I was like, oh my god, I didn't notice that. And this one in here it's like, it's all coming out like that. Like, I don't know how to explain that. But and now they are now the eyeliner is pulling my teeth inside. So yeah, that is the improvement. And the gap, I noticed that the gap is not so bad anymore, but I think it will take time to completely close, because my treatment has to be done in 7 months. So but by the next video, we were gonna talk about how much it costs and how much the eyeliner cost, how much I paid for my eyeliner. So we were gonna talk that on my next video. And for me, and disclaimer, this video is not sponsored by Smile Direct Club. I am doing this review for myself because I know I just want to share with you guys the journey that I've been through, and I want to show you the improvement of my teeth. And if you have a problem, I keep saying this over and over and over again, and if you have a problem with your teeth and you want to migrate here in America, wherever you are in the world, and if you listen to this video, if you watch to this video, if you have a teeth problem and you're trying to migrate to a different country, which is really expensive, fix your teeth first in your home country, wherever you are, especially all of my friends that don't want to come here and settle down in the United States. Fix your teeth first in your home country, so you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry if you don't want to spend the money in here to fix your teeth, and then you have to fix it in your home country. That's the only advice that I could give you. So I make a bad decision in life, and not to fix my teeth in my country, because I was like, okay, I'm being biatch, and then I don't have now I am paying my price. So I don't want you to suffer that also. And yeah, I think that's it. Take my advice and thank me later. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And once again, this is I November Rain, ang nag-iwan sa inyo ng isang kasabihang manatiling maganda sa kabila ng kahirapan. And I thank you. Bye!